TR7.
Oh man.
Whoa, pardon.
Whoa. All right. Look at that sunset. That is incredible. All right, fella, come on out. I wonder if James left his keys in his car. Should we move it? If he did, so. Keys are in it? Keys? No. Should we roll it? Let's roll it back. Okay. Roll it back. Yeah. What are good friends for, right? Perfect. We'll never know it's gone.
No, never.
Look at that Mini Cooper. Wow. Oh my God, this Jaguar. Oh.
Yo. Did you say your e-brake? Did you say your e-brake? Not there.
Did you?
Yeah, it's there.
It's there. It's just behind the Merc.
Did you really roll it? I hate you guys.
Found out the 560 will do some massive donuts.
We just were drifting in the lot right across.
Oh my god, I hate you guys.
Yeah, I got the video of it.
Hi, Ted.
Ted.
You want to see a massive power slide?
Yes, I do.
All right.
I feel like I'm getting the special preview before it gets posted.
All right, Benson. Good luck to you.
Oh, is this just right up the street?
Uh huh.
You guys are the ones that always. It is especially beautiful to see a fucking Mercedes doing that. Oh yeah.
Oh, hey, what's up? I didn't see you.
James.
What's up? Hey, surprise.
How's this going along?
Oh, this is coming.
What are you doing?
Treat. Just doing some custom modification.
Look
Okay,
at that.
so you know,
That's better.
It's better. It's got a little, you know, because whatever it's got. And if I smooth the whole thing down, then it's kind of close to hoses and moving belts and shit.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna
beautiful
put a little piece
head.
of rubber right there so it doesn't bounce on the brake line. But you
Yep.
know, yeah,
Awesome.
it's not awesome. It's better.
She been running good?
Oh yeah, dude.
Really?
Could probably start her up now.
Fire this puppy up.
Get some.
Oh my God! Look at that. Is that Austin Healy? Oh.
That's this month's reason for going out of business. Yeah. Fuck, there's one every month. After this one's dead.
Oh my God! Look at this GT6.
This thing's actually pretty nice.
Is it for sale?
No, the guy just bought it and he's all in love with it.
Wow.
Nobody wants them. They're too hardtop.
Look at this thing.
It's way cooler.
Yeah.
You want the 4-door?
I love the 4-door.
Never mind then.
I see. I
Oh.
it just looks more proportionate for me.
Yeah.
I like the 4-door, and I also only
Look at
got
this
it
beast. Citroen. How cool is that?
It was a trim. Yeah, it was a trim level. It was like the top level meteor. Was each Galaxy has a meteor pack.
Look at all these beauties. But I love this GT6.
Meteor like trim level.
That's nice. This is really nice. But this,
Top level.
wow. This is beautiful.
Snots. What's up, dude?
Hey.
Oh, my face. Let's see that. Here.
Oh, you whip out the dick? What are you on?
Yeah, I don't. No, I don't.
Is Drifter Clock with
I don't drift anymore.
Oh, you retired?
Yeah, that makes a difference.
Tired. I was thinking if there was an angle bar.
Oh,
You do an angle from here
you know,
like this.
I like it.
You're not going to find another 64.
No, absolutely. It's got to go to the body because it's already going to the body.
Oh, I probably should go grab my dog.
Gatorade blue.
Gatorade Blue. You gonna fire this? Is this the DeBart special?
Yo, is this a V8? Yo, is this one of those new
It's a
Bentley motors?
V12? Yeah. Every intake plenum is 3. 4 times 3.
Yeah, yeah.
Good man.
Oh my god. That's terrible. Hey dude, that's nice.
That's a good noise too.
It sounds better than it. Well, the pistons actually put in run before.
Yeah.
They,
It really does sound extra good. What'd you do to it?
Does it?
He drilled a hole through the
But I thought you were
exhaust.
still waiting for, you know,
Oh yeah, I'm still waiting for that airflow meter to come in.
Pretty sure you need it?
Yes, I do. Okay. Holes in it.
I had to go check out this Jaguar because I'm a sucker for vintage cars in general, but this thing is a work of art. Fortunately, the low light doesn't do it justice, but oh my gosh, look at this thing. Anyone want to take a guess of what year this is? Wow. That is beauty. I also would love to have one of these Mini Coopers. This one obviously needs a little love and a wheel, but I've always been a sucker for these classic Minis. Maybe it's probably because of the Italian Job, the original Italian Job, although I did like the second one with Mark Wahlberg. I thought that was really done well. And believe it or not, this engine, normal British sports car engine, not normal British sports car engine, because this actually wasn't a sports car engine. This, believe it or not, was a double-decker bus engine. Yeah, it's massive. I don't even want to know what this thing weighs. But here's my hand. Here's an engine out of a, I believe it has a 1275, MG 1275. And yeah, that is a double-decker bus engine. That is unbelievable.
Yeah, actually that gets annoying right there because when you have them open while you're
Oh, this is this one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Boy, hold on.
This is the good one. This is the
You got a,
one.
he has a supercharger?
This is the supercharger.
Wait, you have a supercharger in this? You have a supercharger? You gotta pop the hood.
Wait, this isn't the supercharged one that came in the other day, was it?
Yeah.
But they took the stickers off?
What?
He did. You did. You did. Oh.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, eat my chair. That's nice. Oh, that's so cool.
I need to clean it up.
Did you put this radiator in, or did you?
No,
Did he have
it was
it?
like that. Well, I mean,
Oh, yeah.
I put it in like, I don't know, a year ago or something. Yeah.
Just let you go. This is a stock 1980 Triumph TR7 Anniversary Edition radio. And let's see here.
You got the Bluetooth
Bluetooth
cassette,
cassette.
and it works like a dream. No way.
I still have to do that one, but yes.
Oh, that's so cool. Craig's talking
No,
to
it's not that I didn't think
Cougar.
it was not going to run it. It was just I haven't driven it since when I went home.
What's up?
Hey, who's he talking to?
It's Cougar.
It's Cougar.
Yeah, I started it up and Nate was like, "Yo, we should totally do some donuts." I was like, "Fuck it, let's do it."